right, people, welcome again. Let me just turn up this just a notch. Welcome, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. As you can see, we are happy. We are happy. This is what we want. This is what we would definitely want. I'm just trying to fix the audio. This is what we want, people, and this is what we're looking for. And as you know, let me tell you something. As a football fan, you are happy when a team win. You're sad when a team lose. Your team dictate your feelings, your some of the time your daily basic activities, your feelings, or you're feeling. And especially as a team, when a team win, you are happy. Big up the Mary Gray on your birthday, banging a brace on your birthday. Jamaica 4, Trinidad 1. Al Grimson's first win. Al Grimson's first win as head coach of the Reggae Boyz. First win in 9. I have to give him credit for that. Remember, he did say that he knows the difference between competitive games rather than friendly. We lost 2 games against Trinidad. We lost 1 game against Trinidad and draw the next one at our home. And he has returned the favor, saying, hey, tonight is the night where we step it up and dig in. The players, Leon Bailey. Before we get to that, people, here go on. Look up there, people. 30,000 subscribers. 30,000 subscribers. That is the aim. We are just 1,000 short of hitting that 30k margin. Just a bit short. Big up to our subscribers. Big up to all our patrons and also all our channel members. My sincere respect. You guys have the program running. Now, Leon Bailey. I said something. You know, when the question was asked in the press conference about holding on to the ball, and Leon Bailey react to the tweet and answer the question and stuff, and a lot of persons were saying that the question itself was unprofessional. That's what most persons were saying. But sometimes even the smallest details in life is what kind of get you back on track. Even the smallest, even someone that you're not expecting it from, to tell you certain things or anything, it might not even come across in that way. But when you look into yourself and said, hey, I need to do something about that. Today, Leon Bailey did not try to hold on to the ball. Whenever he has the opportunity, he makes a pass. Clearly, certainly came to this game. This was not a Leon Bailey hold on to the ball. This was somewhat similar to Aston Villa Leon Bailey. And our front three link-up play today was brilliant. And look at that. Look at what Mikel Antonio did. Mikel Antonio could have went for the goal himself. He could have went for the goal himself, and he opted to pass it. The link-up play between the players, the first one, Mikel Antonio to Gray, to Bailey, to Gray, which registered the assist for Bailey. Brilliant. Then the second one, Mikel Antonio went down, get brilliant as well. The third one, when Bailey went through, what a pass from Joel. What a brilliant pass from Joel. Perfectly timed run by Leon Bailey. Perfectly timed run by Leon Bailey. He slotted it, get it on the foot, move across. And when I saw Leon Bailey, I'm like, that looked like offside because he was so far ahead. That just to show the pace that he has. And he took that one wonderfully. He took it wonderfully. Even though, hands up, he got 2 more. He didn't score them. Open goal. One of them. But that's football. That is football. He registered an assist and registered a goal. And I do think that is very much commendable. And that is the Leon Bailey performances that the fans are consistently asking for. Why we can't see you letting go of the ball earlier. Why we can't see you finishing your chances. Well, he didn't finish all of them. But why we can't see you doing the good stuff that we want to see from you. And certainly today, have to say, Leon Bailey turned up. And congratulations for that. I have to say so. Don't Gray, such a silky smooth player. He's so clean on the ball. He's so clean. His technical ability is so top tier. Wonderful player. Happy birthday to Demar Gray, and well done on your brace. I know you wanted the hat-trick. Fortunately, you have to settle for the brace. Mikel Antonio worked his socks off. He was dragging the defenders all over the place. Bulldozering the defense. And when you get the opportunity, you drive. And remember that Mikel Antonio he has an assist and also a pre-assist, which you want to give to Bailey. I think he gave to Bailey, and Bailey pass it to Gray. So he has a pre-assist. So wonderful work rate from Mikel Antonio, getting involved, done. I do think that maybe the most quiet one out of them all would have been, I said maybe Bobby Reid. Remember the opportunity that Bobby Reid got? Mikel Antonio slapped Bobby Reid, slapped the ball into the channel to Bobby Reid, and Bailey was in open land by himself. Bobby Reid, come on, sharpen up on the decision making in the final third. But I have to say as well, think a fairly decent performance. I expected a little bit more from Bobby Reid, where performance can start. I expect a little more, but fairly decent. In the midfield, Joel Latibody here, that pass to Leon Bailey, I can't stop talking about that magnificent pass to Leon Bailey. It was, and I mean top tier. It was top tier, people. Top tier pass, top bins pass. And he had a wonderful game. Even when he went to the left back position, he did not look out of place, not one bit. And this is what we're talking about, people. This is the performances that we're expecting to see from the Reggae Boyz. This is the performances. Lambert, he kept it so clean and tidy. Pick up ball, pass here, not pass here. Didn't lose the ball. His passing accuracy must be high because of how he kept it extremely clean and tidy. When he need to make the challenge, he did so. Body players, wonderful performance as well by Lambert. Left back Amar, who started left back again, man? Taxi. I think Taxi had a fairly decent game. But the energy, I did not get that energy. What we saw from Javier Brown, I did not get the energy from Taxi based on what we saw from Javier Brown. But fairly decent. He could not finish the game. Then you see Lemby Kisa coming on, and you see Lemby Kisa matching the energy with Javier Brown. So fairly decent performance from Taxi. And I do think that Lemby Kisa came on and did a good job. Javier Brown has been improving significantly time and time again, and this is the rate. And luckily, this could be the case of which there's two players now of there's another player now in the position of high quality challenging him for the right back position, which means that he has to step his game up. And I have to say, wonderful performance today from Javier Brown. Bernard, that goal that scored against us, he's but anyways, I do think it was fairly decent performance from Bernard. I do think that he needs to clean up on many aspects. Even as the goal that we conceded, you got turned too easy right there. Honestly, you got turned too easy right there. Certainly, we can see the work you have to put in. Damian Lowe. I think Damian Lowe, possible. The thing about it, a lot of persons will be discussing. If they discuss man of the match, most persons are going to look on Demarai Gray and maybe Leon Bailey. But for me personally, I do think that the man of the match contenders are Damian Lowe and Joel Latibody. I think both of them are the man of the match contenders in my point of view. I can be wrong. A lot of persons will give it to Demarai Gray, but I do think that it's either between one of those two. The way they work in this game, it made their attacking lineup be way more fluent. Damian Lowe worked extremely hard. But big up again, another man of the match performance in my view from Damian Lowe. Another tremendous performance. Again, no matter what people want to say, a lot of persons are just using narratives and feel their feelings, operate off their feelings. Andre Blake, another day in the, Andre Blake didn't do nothing much. The goal you conceded, yeah, unfortunate. Good goal as well, I think. Unfortunate. But Andre Blake didn't really get any work to do. But bless up Blake, good performance as well, despite passing out from the back, a significant improvement in that. I have to give a special shout out to the Avery, or Avery, I think it's Avery from the Trinidad team, the number 20. That little youth is something else. That little youth is something else. Oh, big up Whisper. Big up. Congratulations on your goal. Congratulations on your goal. Well done. Well done on your international goal. Massive, massive respect in accomplishing that. Bless up. Yep. Really, really respect it. Watch it from a long time. A grow through, come right up until now you're busting it for the Reggae Boyz. Big up. As always. Anyways, people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Big up again as well, Al Grimson. Well done this time around. You have to get your credit. Getting your win. Big up. Massive, massive respect. People, I'm out. Boom. Music there.